Hey, baby girl. You having some tummy time? Squealing? Flailing? Trying to figure out how to get up? Hi. Your noises are so funny. Okay, you've been doing this enough for a while before I started filming you. Oh, you're so close. You're just getting so close. It's good because of all the standing you're doing. You have to crawl first. You have to crawl first. I know we have this talk a lot. Giving up? Play with the string? Okay, baby girl.